Surefy's ability to daisy chain makes this impossible access point possible. Daisy chaining can either increase your signal distance, redirect it around a mountain or other obstacles, or allow connectivity with Wiegand or relay control at 3 locations. Here you see the wiring with the outputs of the first pair's remote side connecting directly into the inputs of the controller side of the second pair. These are often kept in the same enclosure somewhere between the 2 endpoints and can even be put on a solar application when easy power is unavailable. Modern solar farms and arrays can be massive and create a great deal of clean energy, but are also very expensive and need to have security. Dave Tuttle from Premier Access Group in Marietta, California explains.
Good morning, it's David with Premier Access. Wanted to show you an application I've done with daisy-chained Surefy Wiegand wireless bridges. We are at the south end of a pretty large property, and we had a gate out here that had previously been running on a standalone keypad, and they wanted to integrate it into their access control system. So what I've done here is I've added a Surefy remote interface at the reader here. There is local power, but the actual panel is located about 6/10 of a mile this direction, and as you see, you have a very large solar farm, and if you go beyond there, there is a large mobile home park, and it drops down about 100 feet, and the panel is located inside of a solid concrete building. So lots of challenges all around. Tried to test the signal going directly, and it was just right on the edge of one light on the tester, so I decided to go ahead and do a hopscotch around the situation. So here's our gate. Like I say, a remote interface was located here, and then we've sent things over to a tower, which you can barely see, little white guy sticking up to the left of this telephone pole in the center, off to the right of the water tower. So we have the daisy chained master and remote units there, and that's about a quarter mile away, and then we go about 4/10 of a mile and down a hill and beyond a couple of water treatment pools and through a concrete wall of a building and into the back of that to the panel. So get very good signal on both ends, hopscotching up here and back to the reader at the gate. So we've solved a real challenge for the customer. Show my card and we're off and running. Hope you enjoyed. Really enjoy the Surefy, and would recommend it to anyone.
For questions on product features and support, call a qualified Surefy technician at 844-787-3340.